to start the new topic from the term 2 of class 11, mathematics, angle and their measurement. Welcome to my channel Mathematics Rose by Sajid Akhter, and here we will have to study related to angle, in which we have to discuss first what are the positive angle, what are negative angle, and how to convert from one unit to other unit. Conversion we have to learn, and then problem related to it, and we have to learn that the trigonometric function, definition of the trigonometric function with the help of the unit circle, and then we have to learn the next one is the truth of the identities. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, and then sign of the trigonometric function in different quadrant, and then we have to learn the sign of domain and range of the trigonometric function and their graphs, and then trigonometric formulas we will have to derive. I will derive, but you are not required to derive. Only you will have to understand, and problem based on it will come. The marks will be 8 marks. 8 marks. So first of all, first is we will have to learn from the very beginning angle. The angle, you know, when the two rays or line meet at a particular point and makes an inclination. Inclination means झुकाव, makes an inclination. Then the inclination is called an angle. The inclination is called an angle in plane or space. So here, suppose I am taking the two rays. Rays means it is a geometrical figure which has one initial point. Suppose OA and OP is the two rays meeting at a particular point, and makes particular point is O here, and this is the inclination. Here is this inclination, and now the inclination R. See, so this is the inclination, so this is angle, and this is also inclination, so this is also an angle, and the point where they meet is known as, vertex of the angle. So here OA is the vertex. Suppose we will take two line segment, P, Q and R. So here the inclination is formed, and this is also an inclination. So and here the vertex is Q. Here vertex is O, and here the arm of the angle. Suppose we are taking just a line segment, not ray. I'm not taking ray, just line segment. Then these line segment OA and OB are called the arms of the angle. So this is OA is also arm and OB is also arm. So every angle has two arms. And so this is this angle, and this angle is known as reflex angle, because you know that it is more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. Here it is also, suppose this is the angle, and this is its reflex angle. The reflex angle. Now here we will have to understand the type of angle. There are two types of angle. One is positive angle, and second is negative angle. Positive angle is an angle formed in anti-clockwise direction. Suppose I am taking a line OA, initial line OA, or OA is a ray, and it revolves around or rotates and makes and this angle up to this. So this is the initial line, and this is the terminal line, and making which angle? Making angle AOB, and here the direction of the angle is in this direction, and you know that in the clock direction is always in this direction. This is the direction of the either minute hand or hour hand. This is the, suppose this minute hand, this is hour hand, but both moves in this direction, and its direction is just opposite to it. So this is clockwise direction, and this is 9. This is clockwise direction, 1, and then here is 2, 4, and then 5, 7, 8, 11. So in this direction, so all the minute hand, hour hand, as well as second hand all move in this direction. So clockwise direction is in this way. This is the clockwise direction, and if the and this is anti-clockwise direction, this is clockwise direction, and this is anti-clockwise direction. This is clockwise direction. Do you understand it? That what is clockwise direction and what is anti-clockwise direction. So here the clock is moving, the minute hand and hour hand, both the hands or second hand of the clock all moves in this direction. So it is in this direction, this is the clockwise and this is anti-clockwise. So angle which is formed in anti-clockwise direction is called positive angle. Suppose this is theta. So this angle is theta, and this is which type of angle? Positive angle. Positive angle. Suppose one full rotation takes place. It is positive 360 degree. So 360 degree, this is positive angle. Suppose after one rotation, after complete rotation, it will come here. Then what angle will be formed? It is 360 degree plus theta. So if after 360 degree theta angle is formed, so this is also positive angle. If two rotation will take place, then 360 degree into 2 plus theta means 720 degree plus theta. So this is also positive angle. Similarly, if the rotation is 3 times multiplied by 3 plus theta, theta is suppose an acute angle. So this is 1080 degree plus theta. So this is also a positive angle. Positive angle. So because all angles are found in anti-clockwise direction, therefore they are positive angle. Now I am coming here. Suppose this is the negative angle. So negative angle is an angle formed in clockwise direction. Clockwise direction. Suppose I am taking OX as the initial line and it rotates in this direction. OY, so initial line here is OX, initial line. After rotation, this angle, its new position is OY. So what angle is made? This is angle XOY. Suppose this angle is minus theta. Why I have theta written minus? Because the angle is formed in clockwise direction. Because the angle is formed in clockwise direction, as you know that the clock moves, the hands of the clock moves in this direction. The hands of the clock is moving in this direction, and here the direction of clock and direction of the angle both are same, therefore it is negative angle. If it is rotated by through a full rotation, so then it is minus 360 degree. So it is, if it is theta minus theta, then a full rotation here, so minus 360 degree. So this is negative angle. If a full rotation will take place and angle and the line will come in OY direction, then what angle will be formed? Then the angle formed is minus 360 degree minus theta. So a full rotation will take place, so minus 360 degree minus theta. And then again 2 rotation will take place, then minus 720 degree minus theta. If again it is rotated, full rotation, 3 rotation takes place, then it is 180 degree minus theta. If again fourth rotation takes place, then it is equal to 360 degree into 4 minus theta, so it is 0 minus 1440 degree minus theta. So in this way, if the angle is formed in the clockwise direction, the angle is called negative angle, and if the angle is formed in the anti-clockwise direction, so angle will be positive, and the measurement of the angle will be more than 360 degree, which you have not taught in class 10. So now I am coming what is the system in which angle is measured. So now the unit of measurement of angles. Unit of measurement of angle. So earlier in class 10th, 1 degree is the unit of an angle. The smallest angle is 1 degree, and then 1 minute is also smaller angle. But in general, 1 degree in lower classes up to class 10, 1 degree is taken as the unit of an angle. So what is 1 degree? So this is the question. What is 1 degree? Okay. Now the measurement of angle angles are done in three different systems. First we will write British system. In this system, first of all, you will understand what is a right angle. Right angle is the angle between a horizontal line and a vertical line. So here, if I will take a horizontal line over here, suppose here I am taking in a plane, this is the horizontal line, and this is vertical line, and this is the angle, and this angle XOY is called one right angle. So this inclination is called one right angle. If it is divided into 90 equal parts, so each equal parts represent an inclination, an angle, an inclination, or we can say angle. and this angle, small angle, is assumed as 1 degree. So if a right angle is divided into 90 equal parts, then each part is an angle called 1 degree. Therefore, one right angle is equal to 90 degree, and 1 degree is also 1 degree is a small angle if it is also divided further, if it is divided 60 equal parts, 60 equal parts, further it is divided to 60 equal parts. Now imagine how smaller the angle will be. So then each part is called, so 1 degree is again divided into 60 equal parts. Then each part is known as 1 minute, so 60 minute. This is the 1 minute is the angle, measurement of the angle, a smaller measurement of the angle than degree. So now this can be written as 60 bar or dash you will have to give in the side. And again, suppose this is very small angle, if it is taken as 1 minute, and this 1 minute is again divided into 60 equal parts, then each part is called, 1 second. So here this is not the unit of time. 1 second is the unit of angle, 1 second, and this is denoted by double bar. So 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, and this can be written in this way. So as you know that in British system it is also known as sexagesimal or British system. Both the name is, this is a little bit difficult name. So in this system, one right angle is equal to 90 degree. 1 degree is divided into 60 equal part, and each equal part is called 1 minute, 60 minute, and 1 minute is equal to 1 minute is divided into 60 equal part. Each part is called 1 second, so it is 60 second. So this you know in class 10th, I think. Or next we are coming next system, which you don't have to, because it is not important for examination point of view, but I am explaining it. It is French system or centesimal system, or it is also known as grade major. So here in grade major or in French system, one right angle, suppose one right angle I am taking, because one right angle is the angle between a horizontal line and vertical line, and this angle is divided into 100 equal parts. How many equal parts? 100 equal parts. And each equal part is called, each equal part represent an angle. Each equal part is an angle called one grade. Okay, and this is written as 1 in the head G. So it is how many equal parts? One right angle is divided into 100 equal parts. So therefore, in French system or grade measure, one right angle equal to 100 grade, because how many number of equal parts, and each equal part is known as one grade. And again, one grade is very small angle which is less than 1 degree also. So one grade is again divided into 100 equal parts, and this is called, each part is called 1 minute. So 100 minutes. So here 100 minute can be written in the same way. But in this system, this minute is less than that of the minute of British system. Now we are coming to next here. 1 minute is again divided into 100 equal part, and it is called second. So this is, each part is called 1 second. So 100 second. So in grade system, in grade measure or French system, one right angle is equal to 100 grade. G stands for grade, and 1 grade is equal to 100 minute, and 1 minute is equal to 100 second. Now from these two system, one is British system, and second is French system or grade measure, or it is called also degree measure in easy language, or it is in grade measure. See, one right angle is equal to 90 degree, and one right angle is equal to 100 grade. So this is taken as 1, this is 2. So from 1 and 2, because the right angle will be same, therefore 90 degree is equal to 100 grade. So you can cancel 1 0. So 9 degree is equal to 10 grade. So 1 degree is equal to 10 by 9 grade. So this is, and now 1 grade is equal to 9 by 10 degree. But this is not for the examination purpose. This conversion will not come. I am coming to the radian measure. This conversion from that system will come. But for information, it is my responsibility to explain. Now the third system is radian measure, or it is also known as circular measure or circular system also. Circular system. So first of all, we have to give the definition of 1 radian. Okay, 1 radian. What is 1 radian? 1 radian is an angle made by an arc of a circle, or of an arc of a circle at the center, in which length of arc is equal to the radius of the circle. So 1 radian is a sector angle. 1 radian is also sector angle. And here I am just explaining it. Suppose a circle I have taken of radius of center O, and radius suppose I have taken 3 centimeter, and here I have taken the part of the arc AB, and the length is also taken as 3 centimeter. Then this arc, and join this, then this is also 3 centimeter. So when the length of the arc is equal to the radius of the circle, this is the arc and this is the radius of the circle, this is also the radius. So then the angle made by the arc, this is the sector angle. Sector is the portion bounded by the 2 radii and 1 arc. Therefore this is 1 radian. So 1 radian is the angle. Suppose I am drawing another figure. Suppose this is the center O dash, and here I am taking an arc PQ, and the radius of the circle is R. Any length, this. So arc length, if the length of the arc PQ is equal to the radius of the angle, radius of the circle, then this angle is equal to 1 radian. Whether the arc will be smaller or bigger, and the radius of the circle will be bigger or smaller, the arc length must be equal to, so length of arc is equal to the radius of the same circle, radius of the arc is equal to the same circle, radius of the same circle. Length of the arc is equal to the radius of the same circle. Here I have taken the length of the arc. Suppose the length is L for length of arc, AB is equal to, here OA or OB, both are suppose 3 centimeter. Then angle AOB is equal to 1 radian. Okay, so now this is 1 radian. So here length of arc PQ length of arc PQ is the radius of this circle, then angle POQ, this is the sector angle, and this is angle is called 1 radian. So 1 radian is an angle made by an arc of a circle in which the condition is length of the arc is equal to the radius of the same circle. देखिए, किसी भी सर्किल में अगर एक वैसा आर्क लेते हैं, सर्किल है 5 सेंटीमीटर रेडियस का या 10 सेंटीमीटर रेडियस का, तो आर्क हम वैसा लें जो रेडियस के बराबर हो, तो सेंटर में जितना एंगल बनाएगा उस एंगल को 1 रेडियन कहेंगे. तो 1 रेडियन, आई एम जस्ट एक्सप्लेनिंग इन हिंदी. So 1 radian is the angle made by the arc of a circle in which the length of the arc, this length, is equal to the radius. This length is equal to, means radius, arc, radius, all are equal over here. So here the radius and arc length all are equal. Then the sector angle is 1 radian. So this is the basic condition for 1 radian. So here is what? Here is length of PQ is equal to OP is equal to OQ. Then angle POQ is equal to 1 radian. Now we will show that if we will take a circle of radius 1 centimeter and arc length is equal to, and the arc length of the same circle is 1 centimeter, then that arc length 1 centimeter makes an angle at the center. If we will join, we will get 1 radian. If the radius will be increased, suppose the radius is taken 5 centimeter and arc length I am taking 5 centimeter, then the angle made by the arc at the center is again 1 radian. If the length of if the radius of the circle is increased or decreased, length of arc is taken the same, then the angle made by the arc at the center is again 1 radian. It means that 1 radian is a fixed angle. We have to show that रेडियस चाहे जो भी हो, लेंथ ऑफ आर्क जो है ये 1 रेडियस जो भी हो, लेंथ ऑफ आर्क अगर रेडियस के बराबर होगा तो सेंटर पे जितना एंगल बनेगा वो सब एंगल 1 रेडियन के बराबर होगा. So 1 radian is a fixed angle. So now I am coming to proof of this, but before that I am explaining this. So note. Now, if I am taking a circle with center O and taking an arc AB of length L1, it makes angle θ1. Here the radius of the circle is R. Here the radius of the circle is not equal to the arc length. Suppose I am just increasing the length of the arc. Suppose it is L2 and this arc is increased. Then angle made by the arc at the center, sector angle, this angle, suppose this angle is θ2. So see, angle AOB angle AOB is equal to θ1 when the length of the arc is L1, and when the length of the arc is increased to L2, angle COD, sector angle, is θ2. So in the figure this is θ2 and here this angle is θ1. So obviously theta 2 is greater than theta 1 and length of arc L2 is greater than L1. So it means that when the length of arc increases, the angle made by the arc at the center also increases. So when the length of arc increases or decreases, angle made by the arc at the center of circle also increases or decreases. So here length of arc is directly proportional to angle made by the arc at the center of circle. Suppose the length of arc is taken L and angle is taken theta. So length of arc is inversely directly proportional to theta, or theta is also directly proportional to length of arc. So we conclude this. So now I am coming to show prove that 1 radian is a constant angle or fixed angle irrespective of the length of radius of the circle, irrespect to the radii of circles. So if the radius of the circle will increase or decrease, the 1 radian is always the fixed angle. Here this is we have to show. Suppose I have taken a circle, okay, and the center I am taking O, and so let us suppose the circle center O and the radius R. Let a circle with center O and radius R, and drawing an arc AB whose length is equal to the radius. So length of arc AB we have to draw in such a way that the length of arc is equal to radius. Then if we will join here, so from the definition of 1 radian angle AOB is equal to 1 radian, because the condition is satisfied from here. This is R also, and this angle is 1 radian. Why? Because AB, length of AB is equal to the radius of the circle. Produce AO, supposing it intersects the circumference of the circle at C. So here, produce AO which intersects the circle at C. Now this arc makes how much angle here? 180 degree. So as you know that the length of arc is directly proportional to the angle made by the arc at the center. Therefore, AB arc is directly proportional to angle AOB. We can write AB arc is making which angle at the center? Angle AOB. So AB arc is equal to K times angle AOB, where K is any constant or any fixed number. Similarly, ABC arc is directly proportional to which angle? Angle AOC, because ABC arc makes this angle AOC or COA, whatever you say, angle AOC. So arc length ABC is equal to K times angle AOC. So this is taken as 1, as 2, and this is 3. Now we are taking the ratio, from equation 2 and 3, we get, see, arc length AB upon arc length ABC is equal to K times angle AOB divided by upon K times angle AOC. So K will cancel, and you know that arc length AB is equal to radius from 1. So now I am coming in the next page. So now arc length AB divided by ABC, arc length ABC, and angle AOB, again I am writing over here, and angle AOC. Angle AOB is equal to 1 radian, and this is angle AOC from the figure. Angle AOC is equal to a straight angle which is 180 degree. Now it is from the definition, it is R, and C, arc length ABC is half of the circumference, 2 pi r divided by 2, so it is pi r only. You see here you see the arc length ABC, this is the whole circumference, and this is the semi arc. So this length will be 2 pi r divided by 2, so it is equal to only pi r, and this makes angle AOC is 180 degree, and AB arc whose radius is whose length is r, making 1 radian angle. So in place of this, see here AB is equal to r, and arc length ABC is equal to 2 pi r divided by 2, which is equal to pi r. So it is pi r, and now here 1 radian, because this is from the definition, angle AOB is equal to 1 radian divided by 180 degree. So here r will cancel, so 1 upon pi is equal to 1 radian upon 180 degree. Now do the cross multiplication. 180 degree is equal to pi into 1 radian. So therefore 180 degree is equal to pi radian or 180 degree is equal to pi radian. I am writing small by small letter, it does not have any problem. So 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radian. Just you have aware it, and now you have seen how this formula came into existence. Now if I will take 1 radian, then 1 radian is equal to 180 degree, and this pi will come in this side, so upon pi this degree. So if we have to convert from degree to radian,